Welcome to the project demonstration of power factor correction of EV charge using bridgeless isolated Zeta Leo converter. In this project we are using two transformers which is connected to this Zeta Leo converter, and also here we can see the MOSFET boards and the diodes also and inductors also, which are based on circuit diagram. We design this Zeta Leo converter using bridgeless isolated Zeta Leo converter, and also here we can see using another one step down transformer which take 230 volts of AC supply and it will step down up to 12 volts. That 12 volts will be given to this charging circuit, and also here we can see the battery pack LM2596 and also EAC, BLDC motor, PIC microcontroller and switch. So we will provide a power supply through this power cable. So it will take 230 volts of AC power supply. So that power will be converted into 18 volts of DC. So that DC will be connected to this LM2596 and that will be stepped down up to 18 to 12. So that 12 volts will be given to this battery pack to charge this battery. And also here we can see these analog pins are connected to this Zeta Leo converter to generate a DC power from AC to DC. So it will take 230 volts of AC and convert into 18 volts of DC through this PIC microcontroller signals. And also here we can see we can charge these batteries using this step down transformer also. So it will take 230 volts of power supply and will step down up to 12 volts. That 12 volts will be converted into 12 volts of DC. That DC will be given to this battery pack. Then it will be charged through this Zeta Leo converter and also normal converter. So here we can see. So here we can see the light indication, which means it is in on position, and also another we are giving the power supply for the Zeta Leo converter. So here we can see light indication of the LM2596. So here we can see the light indication. Now it is these both are the charging, and also here we can see through ESC we are having a power supply to this PIC microcontroller, and also we are giving the signal to this ESC through this PIC microcontroller. If I on this switch, then BLDC motor will be works. In this way, power factor correction of EV charge using bridgeless isolated Zeta Leo converter. Thanks for the watching.